How to unhide tagged photos on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can unhide tagged photos on Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, open up your Instagram and go to your profile. So right here, you can see different posts that I'm tagged in. So if I just tap on this, I tap on manage, and I can select both of these and hide them. So tap on hide or tap on remove. It's completely your choice. I'll just hide this. So after hiding both of those from my profile, you can see there are no posts anymore. So to unhide the tagged photos now, you'll need to first remember who tagged you in those. So since one of my followers tagged me in those, I'll just head over there, and right here these two are the posts that I was tagged in. So after finding who tagged me in those posts, I can simply go to their profile, tap on the three dots on the post. Let me just do that, and here there should be an option that says show on my profile. So if it does not show on yours, that means that your Instagram has not been updated to the latest version. But there you can see tag options, and there we go, show on my profile. Tap on it and now it should be back on my profile. Let me do the same from here. And now if I go to my profile and reload it, there you can see there is my unhidden tagged posts. And that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.